there's one more thing that Newman can do for us, and that is to generate an HTML report as well. And let's now have another look at the Newman documentation again to see how we can configure an HTML reporter. So that will be pretty easy to configure. And you will see here that the parameter for the reporters is HTML. So we'll just simply have to add that. And we'll need to configure a path for the HTML reporter as well. And that can be quite easy to do. We're gonna use reporter-xml.-export. So let's go to build again. We are gonna add a new reporter, comma HTML. Then we are gonna configure this reporter as well. Too many dashes here. And the path that we are going to use is again in the Newman folder, and I'm gonna call it report.html. And this time we're gonna do it in one step. And here at post build actions, I'm gonna select the post build action called publish HTML reports. This is an extra plugin that you need to install in Jenkins. It's called published HTML reports in case you do not have it in the dropdown. And as with a lot of things in Jenkins, there's a plugin that does everything. So I'll select publish HTML reports. I'm gonna add a report. This to report.html. I'll quickly check if there are any other options I should know about. It first looks good. Let's give it a try and see later if something fails. And now if you restart the page, you will be able to see that a new element appeared on this page, and that is this HTML report. And if you click it, you will be taken to the HTML report that has been generated. Usually it looks much nicer. There's probably a temporal bug on Newman or something like that. But this is the way it should work, more or less. Just wanted to mention that you have the possibility of generating your own custom HTML reports. Maybe you want them with some of them with your logo or something like that. And there are information here in the documentation on how you can create a custom template. And you can also specify here a custom template path, which can be then loaded and found by Newman. Great, so already managed to configure the JUnit and the HTML report. Both of them are working and being displayed.